Good day everyone, welcome to Crypto Gist. In today's video, I'll be doing an ICO review on the Rivetz token. Actually, the Rivetz ICO is actually on, it has been on for quite a while now. So what is Rivetz? Rivetz is a decentralized and mobile cyber security token. So what is the need for Rivetz? Rivetz is building a global attestation and identity network powered by the Rivetz token in order to improve the security of the device on which we rely. Cybersecurity venture anticipate that cybersecurity damages will total more than $6 trillion globally, up from $3 trillion in 2015. The rising cost of cybersecurity reflects a failure of the security field to offer a solution that is both simple enough to guarantee adoption by industry and government and sure enough to protect our most valued secrets and data. So what is Rivetz? So Rivetz is developing a technology to push the edge of security to the screen of the device. Rather than password being the last line of defense, individual device can be deputized to broker access to valued online assets. The global attestation and identity network is intended to record and verify the health and integrity of the device using an Rivetz and blockchain technology. This new service builds on the last 3 years of work by Rivetz in creating the platform and tool to simplify a developer's access to the trusted execution environment, a dedicated and impenetrable hardware platform that exists in every device. So what is the background of the company? So Rivetz is a first mover with patents, impending cyber security service and capability that leverage the trusted execution environment. By providing a vault to isolate and protect keys and encryption materials from apps, malware, users and hackers, Rivetz is focused on providing a truly safe experience for accessing all digital services, maximizing the quality and value of the provider to subscribe relationship. The Rivetz has been building this technical foundation for 3 years and has existing contracts with the US government. The technical model for attestation has been part of global standard from the European Union to OASIS to MIST for many years, but the economic model has been missing to support this ecosystem. Rivetz leadership has been part of the governance in this industry for the last 20 years, driving the adoption of trusted computing hardware and developing the technology services and economic model to push trusted computing to work. So what is the Rivetz token? So Rivetz intends to introduce the Rivetz token, which is a cybersecurity token that is planned to enable the registration of devices and attests to their cyber security control. The Rivetz token is intended to be integral to delivering automated device to service or device to device payments for the consumption of cybersecurity services and eventually other permissioned services. This is planned to assist the owner of the device to forensically prove verified global control are in place when a transaction is executed. Rivetz uses the Rivetz token and the blockchain to cryptographically prove that the vault, which is a TTE, in your phone is secure from the manufacturer to your pocket. Once the vault integrity and health is verified, you know all transactions that you send are exactly the ones you intend. So basically what they are trying to do is this: they are trying to provide a way in which we store our valued information on our mobile devices, because basically as of now the way we store our informations on our phones are in apps, and these apps are softwares, and these softwares are prone to virus and malware and so on and so forth. So basically they are trying to take advantage of hardware security that's inbuilt in every device, which is called the TEE. It is a part in the processor of every smart device. And being hardware, this hardware cannot be attacked, or it cannot be compromised by software, malware, or viruses. So we are trying to merge to take advantage of this hardware solution and the blockchain to provide a vault by which we can store information that cannot be compromised by any virus or malware. So what is the protection model of the TEE? The TEE provides the protected application of policies that governs the use of a key or a Rivetz token. Once a Rivetz is passed to the TEE protected private keys, it can only be transferred if the owner's instruction meets policy. The owner of the device is the administrator of the Rivetz policy control in the TEE and defines the process the owner expects to be followed. To reduce the risk of compromised instructions, the process integrates an attestation test and prevents the transfer of Rivetz if the health of the policy is violated or its enforcement must be verified. So basically what this does is, what I'm trying to say is this: once you are implementing the Rivetz policy on any smart device, they use the Rivetz token to verify that your TEE, that is your trusted execution environment, is valid, it's not corrupted. And once that is validated, then you can now execute instructions in order to store your valuable informations and your software and so on and so forth in your TEE. So okay, there's health. What is the health of a device? A trusted execution environment provides isolated execution of codes on the main processor. When the TEE is powered on, the code that executes inside the TEE is signed and the signature are verified before any code executes. Each step verifies the signature of the next step before it runs. As signed, this chain this chain of trusted guarantees integrates as the code is verified. The last signature of the health of device can be checked, assuring nothing has been changed. Okay guys, this is just a few things I picked out from their white paper. So I'll like go back to, let me go, this is their official site. I'll put a description, a link in the description below. So technology. It said the Rivetz token is a cybersecurity token, and together with the Rivetz ecosystem, it provides proof and assurance of privacy and security at the hardware level. Okay, trusted execution. Think of the TEE as a private vault inside your phone hardware, but instead of software like your app and your OS, like I said, it's already built into your phone, which is the hardware. Inside this vault, everything is isolated. No app or software or operating system can see what is inside. This could be your secret, your password, your key, and any other private information. Like I've talked about all of this. So okay, this is where you download the white paper from. I'll put a link in the description below. The Rivetz token. Okay, they say Rivetz uses the Rivetz token and blockchain cryptography to prove that the vault on your phone is secure all the way from the manufacturer to your pocket. Yeah, the Rivetz blockchain can perform health check, verifying that your vault's integrity is intact and that transactions you send are exactly the ones you intend. Fundamentally, Rivetz creates an ecosystem for cybersecurity micropayments. Your bank uses Rivetz to verify identity for withdrawal funds. Your local store uses Rivetz to protect its supply chain. Through Rivetz, everyday society and actions are secured and powered by the blockchain. Attestation, health and integrity. They say the Rivetz token binds the health and integrity of the device to a transaction. When you make an important transaction, the device health is checked against its healthy condition. Make have malware on your phone, connect it to a malicious hotspot, Rivetz ensures that your transaction will not go through until your device health is restored and it can proceed safely. Bringing it together. Okay, so it's a bringing it together. Proof of ownership of the Rivetz token private key will allow forensic proof that transactions were completed from a known device. The blockchain maintains proof that you connected to the service and intend to connect to, and that your device passes the required security test. This can work in everything from the most basic application, such as verification that a private key message is actually private, to identifying verification in banks or enterprise. Okay guys, I'll be looking at their team. Okay, this is their team. Yeah, they are, first of all, we have Steven Sprague, who is their CEO and their co-founder, and this Steven is one of the principal industry evangelists for the application of trusted computing technology. Steven served as president and CEO for 14 years at Wave. At Waves. Wow, Waves, for information guys, Wave is another cryptocurrency that is used for building smart contracts and so on and so forth, before transitioning to the board of directors. A popular speaker on cybersecurity and trusted computing, Steven has a strong technical foundation in principles, capability, and business models of incorporating trusted hardware into every computing, and is skilled at translating this concept into. So okay guys, Steven Pratt is the CEO, and if you check on YouTube, you see he has had several interviews with several news stations and several conferences about this project. And to note guys, this project is not something new. They have been working on this for like 3 years now, before even before and they have been following up as the blockchain technology improves, and they're actually on the ICO now. Then we have their CTO, which is Michael Sprague. We have their VP engineering, which is Shane Gilligan, their senior developer Mark Hiblight, software developer Greg Lown, board member we have Greg Gillard, we have Brad Router. So guys, you can I won't go through all their specs or their this information. You can check that in the site. So okay guys, first of all, I would like to just review this. Like I said, their ICO is actually on at the moment. It has been on for a while now. So let's go to join token sale. So right now, we have 20 days left for the ICO to be over. So and like I said in my previous video, this is an Ethereum ERC token. In order to if you don't know how to join the ICO, my previous video I showed how to participate in the ICO. So practically they've raised about 42,000 about approximately 43,000 ETH, and they've issued about 17 million Rivetz tokens already. Okay, so that is it guys. Okay, there's something that I want to show you guys. I found this video on YouTube, and this has been, I was surprised when I saw it. It's like 2 years ago. That means this project has been on for a while now. So I'll play it so that you guys will just know what the project is about. It's like an interview showing the demo about it, so you guys should watch.
Hello, my name is Steven Sprague, and I'm the CEO of Rivetz. We're a new company that is taking advantage of the most advanced cybersecurity capabilities in smartphones today, the trusted execution environment. We're working with a number of partners to demonstrate to you today the most advanced e-commerce transaction on a smartphone. This is about putting money on a phone. We're leveraging the Bitcoin and blockchain technologies that have been great new innovations in financial technology. And our partners, Trustonic, Interseed, and BitPay have worked with us to make it possible to show you this demonstration of e-commerce end-to-end, compatible with over 100,000 merchants worldwide. But first, let me take you through the specific components that make up this demonstration so that you can identify them when you see the demonstration end-to-end. The first is secure display. Secure display is a capability where the screen is controlled momentarily by the trusted execution environment, enabling us to display the transaction details on the phone in a manner that they cannot be altered by malware in the operating system. So even if someone were to completely root your phone and take over control of the phone, they couldn't alter the transaction that you, the consumer, are confirming with your eyeballs. That secure display is a very important capability of this demonstration. Secondly is the ability to securely protect the keys or account information that are part of the transaction. We do this within the trusted execution environment, assuring that the data that's held cannot be copied or stolen by malware. It assures that the transaction being done is coming from your account. And finally, confirmation or secure PIN entry that assures that the user is the one who's confirming the transaction and not a piece of software on the phone. So putting all of these together, you get a known device that is implementing a transaction where the consumer confirms the amount that's coming from their account and moving to the merchant's account that they want to transfer value to. It's important also to note that while we're leveraging Bitcoin and blockchain technology, there are now many solutions that allow us to tether the value of Bitcoin to a specific currency like dollars or euros or gold or yen. And so this is about putting money on a phone that can be spent with over 100,000 merchants. With that, let us take you through the demonstration on this Galaxy Note 4 from Samsung that is one of the first devices to support the trusted user interface, the trusted execution environment, and Trustonic's solution. There are over 400 million phones today that support the Trustonic capabilities, and so this is a solution that can be broadly applied in the marketplace today.
This demo shows a Bitcoin transaction using BitPay's point-of-sale terminal and a device equipped with Rivetz. So let's launch the checkout app, set up a charge for like a cup of coffee. We're going to use NFC just to transfer the connection, so bump the phones. There's my transaction ready to spend. When I tap on send, Rivetz is going to seek user confirmation through a display that is drawn directly to the screen from the isolated trusted execution environment where Rivetz runs and holds the Bitcoin inside of the device. So, send. Confirm. So that's been sent, been received, and it's been paid. All set. Very simple, very secure.
In order for Bitcoin.
Okay, guys. I'll also put a link to this to the video in the description below. So, guys, this is a very important. It's a very interesting project. And like I said, if you this is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to let you guys know about things that are going on, and it's actually a very good project. And if you want to participate, I advise you to participate with little money, and participate with money that you're willing to lose, because the blockchain right now it's a speculative market and no one really knows what's going to happen. But that doesn't mean you won't take advantage of what's going on. So that's it, guys. You guys should do your own due diligence and participate in the ICO if you want to. So thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.